So now that I have the top removed, you can see where your inlet valves are, and I'm going to show you how to remove them. In this machine, there's actually a different assembly, a different valve for your cold than there is for your hot. On some machines, it'll all be in one big assembly. It may look something like this, in which it's all one piece, but in this case, this particular machine uses two individual valves. The hot one is already marked with a red dot for your red connector, so that one's really easy. That just slides off. White one goes to a white valve. That one's easy to remember where it goes. In this case, we've got two cold valves, and these are running water, cold water to your dispensers. So in order to make sure we get them right, I usually like to just take a marker, and I'll just make a black dot, one black dot on this one, and one black dot on the valve. On this other one, I'm going to put 2 dots on the harness and 2 on the valve, so I don't have to worry about trying to remember which wire goes where. I'm just going to pull those off. And now with my wiring off, I'm just going to turn the machine around and show you which screws to take out in order to release those valves. On this machine, we could remove these 2 screws to remove the complete assembly of both valves. If you know which valve it is you're looking to change, either you're hot or you're cold, you can just a matter of taking out the screws that hold that particular valve. So now we'll just take the screws out that hold the valve. They're just a Phillips head screw, but they also have a hex head on them, so if you had a 1/4" nut driver, you could also do that as well. With your screws removed, you can now pull the valve out. Now that the valve's out, we just need a pair of pliers in order to release these hose clamps and pull the hoses off. So before I pull those hoses off, I just want to mark them so I know which hose goes on which part of the valve. So I'm just going to again take my marker, give one dot, 2 dots for that one, 3 dots for that one. And now I can take those hoses off and know when I go to put in this valve or another valve as to exactly where they go. So I'm just going to take a pair of pliers, squeeze that clamp, slide it back off the hose. I'm just going to wiggle that hose off the valve. Just like that. And I'll do the same for the other 2. There. Now your valve is free for whether you're looking to just clean it or if you're looking to replace.